Hi everyone, welcome to our video guide on types of centrifugal fire pumps as per NFPA 20. In this comprehensive overview, we will explore the various types of fire pumps commonly used in fire protection systems. So let's get started. First of all, let's talk about the most common type of fire pumps known as end section fire pumps. If you see the figure here, this is called end section fire pump. It has single impeller and they are used for horizontal or they are designed for horizontal installation purpose. Apart from that, these are reliable, easy to maintain and efficient as well. So these are UL or FM approved fire pumps. Since NFPA requires only UL/FM fire pumps, and apart from that, we will see the orientation of this fire pump. Before that, these pumps can also be used with electrical drivers or diesel drivers. The figure which we are showing here is with the electrical driver or electric motor. Okay, and last and most important thing for the end section pump is that these pumps have limited capacity range of about 1500 GPM. So the orientation of these fire pumps, I will draw it here. For example, it will be in this way. So here I will take one more color. This is the suction, this is the discharge outlet we can call. So in end section pumps, we can see discharge outlet is perpendicular to the suction flange. Now if you see this figure particularly, you have the suction from this side and the discharge outlet perpendicular to this suction flange. Next we have horizontal split case fire pumps, and if you see on your screen, these fire pumps are suitable for high pressure applications. Okay, and second thing is they have two-piece casings, and also they are also easy to maintain, repair. Apart from that, they comes under very large capacities as well, and they need more space for installation purpose. The orientation for these pumps, we can see it will be in this way. So the suction line and the discharge outlet both are on the same plane. So you can see here, this is the suction and discharge, both will be on the same plane. Whenever you see any pump, you can easily identify whether that is end section pump or the horizontal split case fire pump based on these orientations. Moving on with vertical turbine fire pumps. As you can see on your screen, these fire pumps can be installed vertically, and if you have limited space and the water tank is in underground, you can go ahead with this kind of fire pumps, and they have multiple impellers which makes these pumps to handle the higher flow rates. Also, the most important point here is these are the only fire pumps allowed by NFPA 20 that can start with negative suction pressure. So let us move ahead with another type of fire pump, that is inline type. These also can be installed if you have limited space, but the maintenance is difficult for this kind of pumps. Maintenance can be difficult, and this can only be installed with electrical drivers. So diesel engine cannot be used along with this kind of fire pumps. And the orientation, if you look at this particular pump, it is similar to the horizontal split case, but in horizontal split case you have the suction line and the discharge outlet, both are on the same plane. But here slightly, if you look at this particular drawing, the suction line and the discharge line are not exactly on the same plane. This is the major difference between these two fire pumps. I missed out one point regarding the vertical turbine fire pumps. Vertical turbine fire pumps, and that is, these pumps can also be installed with electric or diesel drivers. Last but not the least, we have multi-stage fire pumps. I'll just try to draw multi-stage or multi-port fire pumps. This has single section, but you have multiple discharge outlets. So these are called discharge outlets. This kind of pumps also can be used multi-stage type fire pump. So these pumps consist of multiple impellers in a series configuration, and they can able to generate higher pressures. Mostly these kind of fire pumps are used in tall buildings. You have high-rise buildings where high pressure systems are required. At that time, this kind of multi-stage or multi-port fire pumps can be used. So I will just try to explain you. I'll take a few minutes more. That's it. So here you have this multi-port fire pump. So you have different floors in building. For example, this is ground, first floor, and second floor. Now we can connect this particular discharge outlet to the second floor sprinkler system. For example, here this can be served to the first floor, and this can be served to the ground floor. That concludes our overview of the different types of centrifugal fire pumps as per NFPA 20. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you once again. Bye.